Something different today, we're going to go over some of the chatter going on in the Discord. I want to say congrats to Vassal. Vassal? I don't know how to say your guys' names. You're going to find out. At any rate, look at these gains at 639% GNS. Wow, that's crazy. So, we're all like, yo, how'd you find this? And he's just keeping an eye out, I guess. I know too that there have been some other entries that Vassal has been sharing. Please tell me how to say your name. Let's have a look at that chart. Let's look at that GNS chart really quick. Yeah, wow, just like big green, big volume RSI going extremely overbought at 95. Remember, the RSI follows the price, so the price is just doing incredible things here. This might be in kind of like a motive wave. I thought we could have like a wave 1, it's an extended wave 2 comes up to here, and then 3, maybe this is like a weird 4 and like a small 5. I don't know. I don't know how to chart these things. These kinds of movements are just so extreme. Wow, just incredible. Let's go into the 15-minute here. I feel like I need to be looking in the after hours too, probably, but do I have that on here? Let's turn on after hours, and geez, look at it go. It looks like it might have topped, so I'll start following this if that's something people are interested in. That's a serious corrective push higher, and if this is wave 4, there could still be another run higher, and naturally looking for the top of 540. Moving on from there, let's say hello to StockEd, who is coming back. StockEd saying slowly but surely working on some charts, and then he shared with us this looks like forward on the monthly and the daily time frame. We got uptrends going through here and significant support and resistance. What caught my eye is that it looks like we could be forming a triangle here. We actually have 5 touch points from this downtrend shown most recently on the daily time frame, the upper chart here, and then there's a horizontal level of support and resistance. And so I would be watching for a breakout of this triangle, and this would be a good trade. This is going to be an awesome trade when it sets up here. So I'll be following StockEd here closely. Keep us posted, buddy. It's good to see you back. It really is. Let's talk about Rhino. He had a forecast here. Looks like Sergey Kaprian. Sergey, I don't know how to say your guys' name. It's just, you guys think SPY is gonna head down? He asks. I kept averaging down on my puts. They expire 217. So 217. That sounds like a good expiration to me. I think if there is gonna be a turn down, which of course I do, obviously, always, then yeah, great. I don't have the money to buy contracts that expensive, so I have to take greater risk and it sucks. So good on you though. Good expiration. So Rhino responds. He says SPY will double top around 399 and then come down for sure. We do have an extended green 9 on the TD sequential count. The count will go to 13. This will take us right around 400 and likely back to retest the 392 range. So let's open up a SPY chart. I think he gave us a chart actually. Let's see. I can pull that up. So maybe we zoom in too. You can see these green counts here, and that 9 is coming in high, right? That could be the top of a run, but look, the price is pushing higher, so the count can go to 13, he says, and the price could continue to rise into a double top. So there is a downtrend through here on this chart, looks like in yellow, and I'm assuming this is where we're talking about, let's see, that looks like the high 390 area, so topping above there would make sense, just like the last little double top, right? And that could fractal out into a bigger pattern. So this obviously matches my bias. Well, I guess we'll see how that goes. And something else too, we have natural gas discussion going on. Any thoughts on Boyle? Asks, in like Flynn, natural gas stock beaten down to hell. I hear it could drop all the way down to 5 or 6, but supposedly natural gas is about to make a comeback. So I did have some analysis on natural gas, and I can take a peek at that really quickly. My chart on natural gas, here it is. The COVID 2020 low, pretty pronouncedly pulling the price down to like $6. Ridiculous. $6 a barrel. So what's going on? Well, it looks like I left saying we were topping out. You can see that there is a little 5 here. Let me just zoom in. There's a 5 there. It's really small. It's not getting any bigger. I can make it bigger. Check it out. We'll make it way bigger. Boom, 5. And from there, I was expecting a push down in an ABC correction, and it looks like the measure rule would have brought us down to about $70, which we did reach. So forecast achieved here in the price of natural gas. But I would have to caution anyone that this motive wave has completed, and it looks like we have have finished an ABC correction, and we could be watching the beginning of a reversal. So I've been looking for reversal patterns at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this downtrend, which was broken, but it looks like we found a new low, so we'd reset it. So we go from the high to the low, and we just drag it up, and it looks like the price is challenging that downtrend right now. If this downtrend does go, expect the price to run, and run a lot. It's going to be interesting. I do want to look at it on a line chart basis, because on a line chart basis, let's see, gotta move the trend a little bit. The price has already begun pushing through, and it looks like it's in an ABC form. It is corrective in nature. I would want to draw some sort of triangle through here instinctively, and the nature of this triangle would matter. Oh, look at that. It's actually a channel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. So wave 1, 2, and we're probably working on wave 3 right now. 1, 2, 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, possibly. Hard to say where we're at right now, but yes, natural gas could actually go up. I think if it can top and make a upward breakout of this channel, it could really go higher. So still waiting for that. Natural gas could be in a big bear flag too. You could also call that a bear flag if you want. Probably it's a little too long for a bear flag, but it's very possible this is actually a new motive wave starting. So 1, 2. This could be 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and then 3 of 3 would be the strongest one. So I think the most fair analysis is that natural gas is about to make a very large move. And I'm not exactly sure which way it's going to be. This is actually pretty interesting. This is why I like you guys being in the Discord. You bring stuff to my attention. We can look at stuff together. And the most interesting analysis for you is going to be what you're looking at, you know? So this could be A, B, C, D, E is up here. Yeah, we get a massive push down. After a little breakout, we'll get that pull back and head lower. So this is probably getting pretty lengthy. Let's call it a day. Thanks for hanging out, you guys. It means a lot. Happy trading.